يقول راجي رحمة الغفور دوما سليمان.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد. Good day all, and you're all welcome to the ninth session of our Tajweed class. In our last class, we talked about the rulings of Mim Sakina and Tanween. And inshallah, in this class, we want to talk about the rulings of Lam, and starting with the ruling of Lam al, that is Alif and Lam, that usually comes before alphabet. Ma'arifa, they usually call it Ma'arifa. Now, this Alif and Lam, if it comes before alphabet, it has two phases. There are two ways in which we pronounce it. And that is why we said, Lilani al-Halani qabla al-Ahrufi. And this is, as it was narrated by, in Tuhfat al-Atfal, by Al-Jamzuri. He said, Lilani al-Halani qabla al-Ahrufi, ulahuma izharuha fal-ta'arifi. The Lam Hal, it has two, the Lam the Lam of Alif and Lam usually comes in front of letters. It has two phases. The first one is, he said, Al-Izhar. The first one is Al-Izhar. And as we already know what Izhar is, it means clarity, pronouncing something clearly without hiding it at all. And it occurs in 14 of the alphabets of Arabic, in 14. And they are combined together to form this. Ibri hajjaka wa khaf aqimahu. That is for the one that wants to memorize it once. Ibri hajjaka wa khaf aqimahu. Now, you can easily memorize it. And each and every one of these letters, if Alif and Lam precede it, say Alif and Lam precedes Al-Hamza or Ba, or Ghain, or Ha, or Jim, or Kaf, then you do Al-Izhab. That is, the Alif and Lam, it should be clear. So you say Al-Bayt, for instance. You say Al-Hakim, for instance. You say Al-Wahhab, for instance. And you say Al-Qamar, for instance. And this is called Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah. All these 14 letters, they are called Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah. That is the first part of it. The second part is Al-Idgham, concealment. If it comes in the other 14 letters, apart from this one, you do what we call concealment. You conceal the Alif and Lam into the letter that precedes it. And it occurs in the beginning of these letters. In the letters that form the beginning of this point. ثم صل رحما تفز ضف ذا ناعم دع سوء ظن زر شريفا للكرم. The Qa, the Fa, the Sad, the Ra, the Ta, the Bod, the Za, the Nun, the Dal, the Sin, the Va, the Zain, the Shin, and the Lam. Each and every one of these, when it comes after Alif and Lam, when Alif and Lam precedes it, then you do what we call Al-Idgham. You conceal the Lam. You will not pronounce the Lam. That is to not be silent. You entered it into the one of these alphabet that comes after it. Let's take an example. And the most popular one is Shin. And that is where they form the name of these alphabets. We call them Huruf al-Shamsiyya. Huruf al-Shamsiyya. Because when you want to write Ash-Shams, you write the Alif and Lam, but then you will now say what? Say Ash-Shams. Ash-Shams. You will not be saying Al-Shams. So that is Al-Idgham. So the first one, they call them Huruf al-Qamariyya. Al-Qamariyya. As it's evident from that. The second one, they call them Huruf al-Shamsiyya, Ash-Shamsiyya, as is evident from that. Other example include At-Tayyib, As-Salah. You don't say Al-Salat, you say As-Salah. And for this, other example include Al-Hajj, as we have mentioned. They include Al-Hakim, and the rest. You can explore to see many of these examples. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.